Hello everyone, my name is Mamta Negi. In this video, we'll get to know about clouds and different types of clouds. When we look at the cloud, it looks like a white, fluffy, gaseous thing which moves around in the air. But clouds are actually a large mass of tiny water droplets consisting of liquid water and crystal of ice, which formed by the condensation of water vapor and free air. Now, let's look at the cloud formation process. At first, at first, the heat from the sun warms the ground. That makes the surface of the earth warm and also the surrounding air. Now, the warm air rises from the ground level, and we also know that air around it contains water vapor or moisture. So, when warm air rises, it also takes the moisture along with it. As the altitude increases, temperature decreases. So, naturally, the temperature of the water vapor or moisture content in the air drops as the height increases. At high altitude, due to low temperature, warm air cools. Now, what happens is that the air becomes incapable of holding any additional amount of moisture. Air also contains tiny minute particles of dust, smoke, and salt, with which is also known as aerosols. So there's a term given to these aerosols. They known as hygroscopic condensation nuclei. Now, these aerosols have an amazing property of attracting water molecules in the air, and that's how water vapor gets attracted to aerosols and then sticks to these tiny particles in the air, as you can see in this diagram, right? So, since these hygroscopic condensation nuclei are present in the atmosphere in huge quantity, therefore they became the surface for the water vapor to fall onto. When air cools, cannot hold any more moisture. Then what happens is that the excess amount of water molecules get attached to the hygroscopic condensation nuclei or the aerosol. When enough water molecules gather around the nuclei, a cloud droplet is formed. These cloud droplets are very small, and when they combine in huge number, a big white fluffy cloud is formed. Now these cloud droplets are also small, that they float in the air as a cloud. And when these cloud droplets combine to form larger drops of crystal, they become too heavy, and due to the surface tension, these drops gradually fall from the sky as rain. Now, based on height, size, density, and transparency, clouds are grouped under four types. The first clouds are categorized or grouped into four types: cumulus, stratus, cirrus, and nimbus. Now, the first one is cirrus cloud. They formed in high altitudes around 8 to 12 kilometers. They are detached thin clouds having feathery appearance. They are always white in color. So, as you can see in this image, they look something like this. They are very thin clouds. The second is cumulus cloud. They formed at the height of 4 to 7 kilometers. They look like cotton wool. Sometimes they look like cauliflower. They exist, they always exist in patches. They have a flat base. Right? The third is, sorry for the numbers, they are wrong. So the third type of cloud is stratus cloud. They are horizontal layered clouds. They cover large portions in the sky. They formed due to the mixing of air masses with various temperature or due to loss of heat. Their presence means chilly or overcasting. The fourth and the last type of cloud is nimbus cloud, which formed in lower altitude around 3 kilometers. Their color is usually black or gray. They block the sunlight. they cause heavy rainfall and thunderstorms, and they don't have any proper shape. So, these are the four types of clouds in our atmosphere. In each group of cloud, I have attached its photograph so you can see their appearance, how they look like. So, these are the four types of clouds in our atmosphere. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks.